This is Lori Carter, independent Scentsy consultant, warming scents at live.ca. I have been creating flyers and sharing them with my team, and I have been asked on how I do it. So I'm going to share this little video with you. First, I get my inspiration from the website or from flyers that are posted in the resource section of your workstation. So I use a snipping tool to copy the images. So a lot of computers have it, and you just might not know that you have it. So if you click on the Start menu, in the search box, click or search Snipping Tool. It should pop up. So when the Snipping Tool pops up, your screen kind of looks cloudy. The snipping tool is on. Now, I in particular don't want to save, it's a rotating image here, and I don't want to save that image. So I'm going to go out of it, wait until the image changes to something else. Let's use the duck because it doesn't change. Open the snipping tool again, because your snipping tool, you copy anything you see on your screen. So I have the snipping tool open. I'm going to click New. I'm going to highlight the image of the duck. And then I can save that image. Scentsy file, so I'm going to save it as duck. And I already have it saved as duck, but I'll save again as duck. So now my image is saved. So I'm going to close that snipping tool. And now to edit that image, I use a program called Photoscape. Photoscape you can download for free somewhere online. I never upgrade it because I never want to pay for it. Boxes come up all the time, do you want to upgrade this software? And I always click no so that I can use the free version. So I'm going to go into my computer and find where I saved that image of the duck. Let's just find it here. So here's our image of our duck. Now, when I post this on Facebook, I don't want to have it say buy now and save 10% with an arrow because the picture won't link to anywhere. So I'm going to change that to add my information on it. So if I click down here in Object, I can add a rounded style box like the same box that's in there. And I can pick the color that I want to add to it. So you can click more colors, and I'll just go with a creamy color like what's there. And then you can make your text, make a box. Covers up the box that's there. Now, see, it won't let me move that box, but just by clicking onto the home box and back to Object, it will let me reselect that box so I can move the box. So I can make it bigger, box. So now I have a box there, and I want to add my information on there. So if I click on the text box, now from this program automatically remembers the last thing that I used in the text box, which is awesome because it already has to order contact myself and my information. So you can change the font here, you can change it to bold, you can outline the font if you want to, variety, you can play with that. So I'm going to click OK, and I'm going to put that in the box. Now if you make the text box bigger, it makes the font bigger. So you can play with the size of the text and the box. So I have that in there, and it looks perfect. So then I just click Save, and then if you want to save over the image that you copied on the website, just click Save, or click Save As, and change it. So I'm going to change it to Duck Modified. So now I have this image, which I can post as a JPEG onto my Facebook page. Pretty easy. So then I close it there. You can open your Facebook and load it on up. Hopefully that's been helpful, how to edit an image, copy an image, edit an image off of the internet. So really you can copy anything and add anything you want to.